Today we are going to learn or we are going to study about collective nouns. Before that, I will tell you the definition of collective nouns. A collective noun is a noun that refers to a collection of persons, animals or things taken together as one until or a group. Okay, especially it concern about a group. When we refer to any collection of person, animals or thing taken together as one until or a group. Okay, for example, a class of students. Here we see one name, a collection of a name of class, a class of students. Okay, second example, a herd of cattle. When we consider about group of cattle, then we use the collective noun here, herd of cattle. Okay, the next example, a bunch of grapes. When we consider the collection of grapes, then we use the collective noun, that is bunch of grapes. Okay student, now see the next one. The word class stand for a collection of students. Okay, the word class stand for collection of students. When we study about the collection of students, then we say it's the class of students. Second one, the word herd stand for a collection of cattle. When we consider the cattle collection, then we use here herd. The word herd stand for collection of cattle. Next one, the word bunch stand for a collection of grapes. Okay, when we say the collection of grapes, then we use here the collective noun bunch. The word bunch stand for a collection of grapes. Now see exercise number A. Trace over the dotted line and join the collective nouns with the proper or things they stand for. Okay, first of all see here. Some words are given here. Collective nouns. First one, library, bunch, heap, team, pack. And see here some picture. For example, first one is keys. Second one is players. Next, cards, books and stones. Okay. Now it's your homework. You have to join the proper collective noun to the proper things. For example, first one. See here, library. Okay. Yes. Where we see all the books. So, library is the collective noun for the books. Okay. So, you all complete these dotted lines and join the collective nouns. Okay. Trace over the dotted lines. First of all, trace over the dotted line and afterward join the collective nouns. Okay. First decide which is the collective noun are suitable for these word. Next one, bunch. See here, bunch of keys. So you all have to trace this line and afterward dotted line and afterward join the collective noun. This is your homework. Okay. Bunch of keys, heap of stones, team of students or players, and here pack of cards. Okay student. Now we see some more collective nouns here. Okay, with these examples. For example, see the picture, a crowd of people. When we consider the group of people, it's called crowd of people. So here crowd is a collective noun for the people. Group of people, we use here crowd. Next one, a flight of birds. Okay. Then a pile of books, a swarm of bees, group of bees, it's called a swarm of bees. Next one, a flock of sheep, a flock of sheep, a pride of lions, groups of lions, it's called pride of lions. Collective noun, a litter of puppies, we use here collective noun, litter of puppies. Okay, when we consider the group of puppies, we use here collective noun, litter of puppies. An army of soldier. Okay, army of soldiers. A band of robbers. A band of robbers. A bouquet of flowers, the collection of flowers together. It's called bouquet of flower. Just see the spelling of bouquet. Okay. Now next one, a bundle of sticks. See the picture and see the collective noun for the sticks. A bundle of sticks. A pack of wolf. Okay. When we consider more by one wolf, then we use here a pack of wolves. Now just see exercise number B. Write the collective nouns for the following. Okay, you have to choose the correct collective noun for the following word, following things. Okay, just see first one. Cattle. What we consider the group of cattle, it's called herd. So you have to write here herd. It is already given. Okay. Next one, puppies. We use one group name. It's called litter of puppies. So you have to write here litter. Litter of puppies. Third one, stones. Heap of stones. Collective noun for stones. Heap of stone. More than one. We use here heap of stone. Collective noun heap of stones. Fourth one, wolf. It's called pack of wolf. So you have to write here in front of wolves pack. Pack of wolves. For lion, we use here pride. P-R-I-D, pride. Pride of lions. Sixth one, bundle of sticks. It's a collective noun for sticks. More than one sticks, we use here collective noun bundle of sticks. Next one, sheep. We use here flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Flock of sheep. Birds. We use here flight of birds. Flight. Flight of birds. Collective noun, flight. Bees. For bees, we use here swarm. S-W-A-R-M, swarm. Swarm of bees. Crowd of people. So you have to write here collective noun crowd for people. Crowd of people. An army of soldier. So you have to write here army of soldier. In front of soldier, you have to write army. In front of flowers, you have to write bouquet. Just see the spelling of bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, bouquet. Okay, T is silent here. So pronounce bouquet like this, bouquet. Flowers of bouquet. These all are collective nouns. So student, just see, just learn. Read it again and again. Learn all these collective nouns. Now just see exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns from among those you have already learnt. Okay. Now just see one. First one example is given here. Deep inside the wildlife sanctuary are birds past a pride of lion. We know we use pride for group of lions. So right here it is already given pride of lion. Just see the picture and with the help of this picture, write down the collective noun here. Just see the next picture. Keys. Yes. There was a dash of keys hanging on the wall. We use collection of keys. We use one word. Collective noun, that is bunch. So write here bunch. Bunch of keys. Just see the third picture. Grapes picture. Okay. Just see here. There is still one bunch of grapes in the dish. So we use here collective noun bunch for grapes. Write down here bunch of grapes. Just see the fourth one picture. We see here more than one robbers are here. So just see here. While we were away, our house was robbed by a band of robbers. It's called band of robbers. Group of robbers. It's called band of robbers. Next one. Just see the picture. Yes, beautiful bouquet. We have to see here. So, fifth one is there. I presented my teacher with a bouquet of flowers on Teacher's Day. Bouquet. collection of flowers. Bouquet, collective noun. Next one, just see. Yes, crowd of people, correct. A large dash of angry people had gathered outside the police station. So we use here collective noun for the people, group of people, crowd. So write down here crowd. A large crowd of angry people had gathered outside the police station. Next one, 7-1. Just see here. Okay, 3 girls. We can see here what they are doing. Just see here. Example number 7. Delnaz took us to see the new dash of puppies. So you know which word we have to use for collection of puppies? Yes, correct. Litter. So write down here litter. Litter of puppies. Next one. A dash of birds flew overhead. A dash of birds flew overhead. Just see here. The collection of birds, we say here flight of birds. So write down here flight of birds. Example number 9. Just see first of all. Yes. Out of the hive came a dash of bees. We use here for bees of groups of bees. It's called swarm of bees. So write down here swarm of bees. 10th one. The president took the salute as the dash marched past. Okay. It's called army. So write down here army marched past. Next one. The magician performed tricks with a dash cards. Collection of cards is called peel cards. So write down here the magician performed tricks with a peel cards. It's a collective noun for cards. Last one. A cricket dash consists of 11 players. It's called group of player. We give one collective noun for these. It's called team of players. So write down here a cricket team consists of 11 players. Okay student, all these are the collective noun for the specific one. So it's your homework. First of all, complete this grammar book and afterwards learn one by heart. Okay, it's very important to take practice again and again. This is your homework. Complete your grammar book